Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day for my friends. We have already passed week 3 and now we are in the fourth week and hope you did your assignment. The first assignment I mean. In this week we are going to discuss about if clause again in module 7. I suggest that you pay attention more to if clause for is very important and many students often make mistake on it. And I hope you can learn in your dashboard of UT and your module, and then we have to discuss in the discussion section if you have still understand uh, about the if clause. In the discussion I hope you make the example of if clause for all of you, and then we have to discuss in the discussion section. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.